Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make yummy blackberry popsicles. I am going to collect the blackberries from the wild. These are organic blackberries, and be careful while collecting the blackberries because there are a lot of thorns to it. After collecting, you have to wash it thoroughly 4 to 5 times because it has got some insects, dust and dirt. After washing it many times, we have to strain it. You know that blackberries are considered to be a superfood. It is nutrient dense, and it has got a lot of antioxidants, vitamin C, and it lowers the LDL cholesterol and prevents the constipation. After straining, add in the blender jar and add some water. Blend it, and after that we have to strain it. After straining, you may add some water while straining also. I'm removing the seeds because they come in the mouth and kids do not like it. So I'm straining it properly. After straining, you can add the sugar according to your taste. It depends on how sour the blackberries are. Add the sugar and mix it thoroughly. After adding the sugar, pour in the popsicle mold and put in the sticks and freeze it for 5 to 6 hours, and the popsicles will be ready. You will not get such popsicles without any additives, preservatives in the stores. These are homemade popsicles which are nutrient dense, colorful, and kids really love it. Thanks for watching my channel.